Our next topic, that is midday meal provided by the government. Here, what is midday meal? Okay, first of all, the food is eaten by people nearby 12 to 1 o'clock. That is midday. Okay, just a normal meaning. But midday meal is provided to the students those who are studying in government school. Here in Gujarat, okay, the compulsory midday meal is provided to the students in government school. But which type of students utilize this food? The people, otherwise the students, those who are studied in government school, they are not afforded a Nutrilite food by their parents. So government provide the food to them like milk, rice, green vegetables, dal. Okay, food, complete balanced diet dish is provided by the government to the poor student, because they cannot get the nutrient if they cannot eat a Nutrilite food, and due to lack of food they cannot, otherwise they don't want to come to school. So that way to call them in the school also, and to get the provided Nutrilite nutrient. Okay, so गवर्नमेंट डिसाइडेड कि गरीब बच्चों को स्कूल में लाने के लिए, गरीब बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए उनको खाना देना जरूरी है. एंड व्हेन दे स्टडी, इफ देयर स्टमक आर फुल अप विद द फूड. ओके, आप कैसे केक खाते हो, पिज्जा खाते हो, इडली खाते हो, डोसा खाते हो, केक खाते हो, बर्गर खाते हो, दे हैवंट, उनको नहीं मिलता है. और ओके, और आपको नहीं पता है, आप होटल में जाते हो तो खाना छोड़ देते हो. 15 to 20 rupees one chapati is there and you have to live in the thali, okay, in hotel, but they haven't, उनको ये नहीं मिलता है. तो government decide to give them food and call them in the school. That way कि स्कूल में जाएंगे तो हमको खाना मिलेगा. ओके, और खाना मिलने के बाद टीचर्स उनको पढ़ाते हैं फ्री में. ओके, स्कूल में फ्री में पढ़ाते हैं. Many schools provided midday meal to their students. Many children in our country are unable to get a nutritious and food in order to help them. So, nutritious food not provided. They are not able to eat the food by themselves because it's costly. Almond, okay, fruits, green leafy vegetables. आप जो पिज्जा इडली खाते हो वो इनको नहीं मिलता है, बिकॉज उनके पेरेंट्स एफर्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज वो तो मजदूरी करते हैं. दे आर लेबरर एंड दे कैन नॉट एफोर्डेबल. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई द गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड टू गिव देम मील कंपल्सरी in primary school and upper primary school, means 1 to 8 class in government school. Children get to eat a variety of food due to this program. So here you have to underline the spelling of government. Here you have to underline the spelling of compulsory. Second topic, mesh in a boarding school. Here what is the meaning of mesh? Students spend their daytime. Students spend their daytime in an activity with the students those who are non-residential in a boarding school. Okay, so in a mesh all the students are provided the same kind of food at fixed time with a fixed food item. Okay, boarding school में वही बच्चों को रखना पड़ता है. due to both the parents are working, no one can is there to take care about of them. Maybe due to some certain reason they send their children in a boarding school. Okay, and after completing a 12th standard, some of the students are go a higher study okay, for engineering and for medical, whatever. They live in a hostel, very far away from their parents. Okay, so to spend their time, and in their boarding school they decide all the students get same type of food at a fixed time. वहाँ पे होटल हॉस्टल में फिक्स टाइम होता है कि 7:30 को फूड रेडी हो जाता है. They have to make a sign to call them, and all the students go in a canteen and take their dinner and lunch. The quality of food is ensured by the school authorities. Okay, ensure means make sure. Quality is decided by the school authorities, school management. Underline the spelling of authorities. Okay, वो स्कूल के हाथ में है, अदरवाइज कॉलेज के हाथ में है. नहीं तो जो गुड क्वालिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं होगा तो स्टूडेंट्स आर not get the admission in this type of boarding school. That is right. That is why it's responsibility of the school authorities, management, principals. Okay, that authorities is deciding the food. So underline the spelling of authorities. Main person of the boarding school or colleges. It has to be a nutritious and hygienic. Okay, nutritious. The food is selected by the authorities of the school should always be a nutritious. Okay, बच्चों को पिज्जा बर्गर नहीं देना है वहाँ पे कॉलेज के बच्चों को, नहीं तो उनकी हाइट और बॉडी का जो ग्रोथ है वो स्टक हो जाएगा. And that is why here it's a authority's responsibility to get the Nutrilite food. So underline the spelling of nutritious and hygienic. Food is clean and without microorganism. Okay, उसके अंदर microorganism नहीं होना चाहिए. चलो, a mesh show a different kind of food to the student, so the students get to know about the variety of food from the various states of the country. Because in a boarding school, the students those who are coming from the various country, and that is why they can select the food according to the student. The children learns to eat all food items that are served. उनको ये खाना नहीं पता है बिकॉज घर पे मम्मी जो बोलती है वो बनाते हैं कि मम्मी आज ये बनाओ वो बनाओ. So your mother is preparing, but in hostel, okay, the food is decided by only the authorities. So that way we learn to eat all type of food and we get enough quantity of nutrient. Okay, so here students, we can complete our lesson and start the exercise. In community eating, many people eat and share food together. True. What is the question? In community eating, many people eat and share food together. Because community eating में क्या होता है? Different caste के people आते हैं कोई occasion में, तो we can share and sit together too. Midday meal provided food. The private school student falls. It is provided to the government school students. Guru ka langar serve the community in many ways too. Sharing means to not promote the friendship and mutual affection. False. No, it can. Okay. So it is false. Chalo. Here the definition or key terms of a community eating. When a large number of people share and eat together outside of their family is called community eating. Meal. And eating occasion that occur as a particular time and increase the specific prepared food that is called meal. Next, यहाँ पे मीनिंग दिया है इक्विलिटीज. ओके, सोसाइटी करेक्ट बिहेवियर, अदरवाइज सोशियली करेक्ट बिहेवियर. So dear students, here must be required, okay, for community people. So यहाँ पे equality is a socially correct behavior. Socially connection होना चाहिए एक दूसरों के साथ. So dear students, here we can complete our lesson and try to solve this exercise in the notebooks from the material already given. I am sending the PDF of inner exercise of the textbook. It is there in the material, although I am sending again. Thank you very much.